Hi. So do you want to learn social media management for free, but you do not know where to start from? Then come with me. I have something good for you. First off is Meta Blueprint. Meta Blueprint is Instagram and Facebook own free training. If you want to master hard insight strategies, this is where to start. Two is HubSpot Academy. HubSpot is like that rich auntie that gives you value for social media, marketing, content, everything well explained and everything for free. So head on to HubSpot Academy if you want to learn for free. Coursera, yes, Coursera has free courses. Just search for social media management and the course without paying for a certificate. So if you want to learn courses for free on Coursera, there are free courses also as well as paid courses. Four is the biggest of them all. YouTube University. I mean, you are underrating the power of YouTube University if you're not there already. Free videos on strategies, tools, audit, and even content can learn that. So head on to YouTube University and learn as much as you can. So what are you waiting for? Don't stay there twiddling your finger procrastinating when you're going to start a social media management career. The time is now and resources are available to you. So till we meet again in my next video. Bye bye.